All right, we are now entering the Crowne Plaza. This is a very strange layout.
Imagine this was like one of those moving walkways.
Yeah. It's a very weird layout here. No, they didn't mod them again. These are also bottom drive.
I hear it.
Yeah. There's a motorroom on this side, a motorroom on that side.
Where is it?
This, you guys can go for it. We'll wait. Sure. Yeah, no problem. Also, look at this. You reckon this used to be the old lobby panel? I don't know why they didn't just put the screens on there.
Huh. All right.
Literally right back there. I'm pretty sure this is original armor.
Yep. That's how the keys function.
These are the old cabs. Oh, whoa, look. You can see the hoistway.
Oh, nice.
There's some chains on the door. I don't know what that's for. Probably for opening them. These are old cabs.
I'm surprised it has a 13th floor.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the old lanterns.
Yeah. Whew. Want to ride this one and switch on the basement, ride a different car?
You can ride down on different. You want to ride down on one of the cars?
I like the sound of this one.
All right.
I'm curious what the other ones are like. Here, I want to get a picture quickly. Thank you. Anyway, you want to switch cars?
Yep.
Oh, look, there's a light. Jesus.
Locks there. Those motors.
Right in here.
This is the one with the rear door. So this must be like the service car.
Oh yeah, this one does double as the service. This one has the chime too. This one has the Shetty chime.
That is a pretty bad chime. So bad that you can't hear it. Oh. That's what you meant.
Yeah, has the horn one. Or LL and LLR. These elevators are definitely pretty worn.
Yeah. I'm surprised they haven't been modded again.
Yeah, these are kind of ready for another mod. Oh, the elevator equipment room. Nope. Worth the look. I can hear the MAC doors.
Yeah. All right. Well, those are pretty cool.
Yeah, those are neat. Anyway, that's all.